Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can add female vocals in Producer AI. In order to do so, here we are at producer.ai, and just to give you an example here, what I did was I started off with a very simple prompt. I just put in a Spanish love song in a female voice, and Producer did the rest. So you could see here that just with that, Producer produced a prompt with more details specifying female vocals. So if we were to just copy and paste this into a new session, then that would effectively generate our female vocals. Let's go ahead and just take a listen to the results.
Cada palabra tuya es nueva, cada risa una sorpresa más. No sé cómo llegaste a mi puerta, pero algo cambió y no quiero volver atrás. Y me pierdo en tus ojos, descubriendo quién eres. Cada día es distinto, quiero más de ti. Es descubrirte, conocer cada parte de tu alma, es descubrirte.
So there you go. That gives you an idea of what Producer is capable of. And quite honestly, I'm seriously impressed with Producer. If you haven't used it yet, head over to producer.ai and you could start playing around for free. And it really is quite powerful. The results are really quite lovely for something that is free. That you can upgrade. Let's go ahead and take a look at that here. So you get daily top-up credits with the free version, 2 concurrent generations. Then from there, we've got the starter at $6, the plus $18, and then the member at $48. And I really think that Producer is doing something special. Of the different music generation platforms out there, I really do think that they're reaching a certain level of quality that competes with the big dogs out there like Suno. I use Suno quite a bit, but if I'm not using Suno, I'm using Producer, and I really quite like the results. So let's just go ahead and take a look here so that we could start from scratch so you can see for yourself. So let's start a new session, and here Producer's asking us for our details. So let's try this. Let's go ahead and put this in here. And this is just the prompt that Producer produced for the previous one, but this gives you an idea of how you want to create your prompts as well. And you could pretty much do whatever style you want. Just make sure that if you're trying to add female vocals, then you want to specify that. And you want to separate all of your instructions by commas. And then when you're done, you could just click on that. And now Producer is going to produce a new song. And this usually is pretty quick. It probably will take about a minute or so for it to finish, but you can already see that it's crafting the lyrics and putting all of that together. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials, including our Discord. And if you want to listen to the whole song here, check out our Discord. I'll put that there in the general, and you can listen to it for yourself. And in addition to all that, check out Simply Financial. If you are interested in online bank, you can click on the link in the link tree and you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.